I hope the rush is not coming from yeah, some people die, their bodies, like rest in peace. I would hand the send. We'll tell the
naked.
We'll tell the send.
Yeah, she's a wiki. Yo, yeah, she's a
Welcome to Heavy Hitters, your plug to all that is cool, fun, and sexy in entertainment. And who better to serve it than this killer combo? I know you're rolling your eyes, thinking, Libo Mangluna, killer combo ya ing. Well, I go by the name Gabo Moth, aka your absolute fave.
Yep, and I'm the Naked J. You'll get the D later.
Your pickup lines, hey, they get cheesier by the day.
But it's better than the pickup lines. It's better than the pickup lines you probably hear.
Ah, how would you know?
Pela Northwest guys, but bar. You know?
If you must know, I have a different area codes.
Oh, is that so? Okay, talk about area codes. So what's been heavy for you and what's been a hit for you this week?
Yo, heavy. Definitely bumping into my ex. I never expected it. I mean, I know it's only been like 10 months.
You even counting?
Hey, yeah, I can take something. If you dated for 2 years, then it's going to take you a year to get over it.
Who says these things?
The prophets of dating.
Just let go. You must ask a man. Stop listening to the prophets of dating. Like, you know?
You know what's funny, Naked? He actually let go because he was there. It wasn't that I bumped into him. It's that he was there with a girl.
Naturally. You guys are exes, so what's wrong with that?
No, but like, you know, I'm thicker than a Snicker.
Yeah.
She was thicker than me.
Oh
that was my heavy. That
oh
was
my
definitely
goodness.
my heavy.
She's got your man, and when you concentrating on her.
You must size up the competition.
Oh.
I mean, am I still competition?
I mean,
once an ex, you can always go back.
Go back, girl. If you love him, go back. Do what you need to do. Look, on a lighter note, right? Schools are open again. So I get to drop my son off at school. And I get to see all the single moms, you know? I mean...
Oh, my...
Yes.
No,
what's wrong with that?
Naked. That's so predatory.
No, exactly. We prey on each other. It's like... It's a proper hunting ground. Single people at schools, dropping off kids, it's the proper hunting ground.
So you reckon for me to move on, this is where I need to go?
Yeah, maybe you need... Actually, please...
But I don't have a kid. Let me drop off your kid.
Drop off my son this whole week.
Plus, his friends are going to be like, yo, did you see, like, his mom? Okay, I'm not his mom, but they're going to be like, she's so banging.
Hey, I've got someone that is just, you know what? She's fearless. She's the party starter.
Okay.
Let me introduce to you Zodwa wenu. Bafethu Miss Zodwa Wabantu.
Thank you so much for having me.
You want some popcorn?
Oh, yes.
Tati,
take the whole thing. It's for you.
This is home.
Oh, thank you.
Remember, just be comfortable. We're here to have a good time. It's not that deep.
So, Zodwa, as Naked said, this is home. This is a safe space. And it's not that deep. Not even coming from Naked.
I'm always naked.
That's a good one. That is a good one. So just to ease you into the show, right? We want to do an icebreaker with you. We're going to play a game. And this game is called Try Me, Tell Me, or Down Me. Okay.
You know, in honor of your blossoming relationship, we should do it a little bit differently this week. Udlalelani, udlaleli AM, Royal AM, udlalela iChiefs, udlalela iPirates.
I just signed him with my connections.
Umvulela masango.
Yes.
Okay. So can we call you Zodwa Womuntu right now? Maybe you must change your name because
I'm not married. Maybe I'm gonna groom him. He's gonna be successful. Then he's gonna go to.
Then he can be the.
I'm at 2000 in Tangazak.
I'm just enjoying. You're putting them through school.
I'm just enjoying the D.
Okay.
Oh, girl.
You know, Tina, with these women, you can't tame us. You
That's
know?
right.
We
so
have
you're here
everything.
you're here for a good time, not a
Not
long
a long
time.
time.
Yeah,
So you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm
All right.
always not going to be happy.
What are your favorite pajamas?
Naked.
Halala.
Why naked? Is it for an easy access thing? Is it too hot because you're
No,
hot?
I like being free. Like,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
It's a freedom.
Yeah.
Okay. What's
Always
your...
available.
Always available.
I like that. Musadi urobala atsutsi. That's what.
No.
Is that not what they say?
Oh my word. That is what they
Okay.
say. Next question.
Okay. So, what's your favorite song to dance to at Groove right now?
It should be the latest, young, fresh, happening.
You like
Artist.
everything young and fresh.
Not these legends. So it should be Youngstana Kamaku, White Kamaku. I'm in the process of,
Initiation.
yes, and accepting, not that things are twasa. I'm gifted in a way that when someone hears my name or my presence, I know I don't look like them or I don't behave like them, but I'm amongst them. I'm the shit like that. It's like that I move nicely because, you know, as I said.
Not for writing, she deserves us. That explanation is so
Actually,
crisp. You
there we
deserve
go.
a shot.
You deserve a
Thank
shot.
you.
Let's do
Oh.
this. Let's do this.
Then you're gonna see the real Zodwa.
Drink my pink poison, girl.
I don't know the brand.
You just drink. Trust us.
Okay, so it's one shot down. So tell us, Nazodwa, breast or thigh?
I don't have big breasts, so.
I'm talking about chicken.
Oh, you're talking about chicken. Oh, wow. Okay. Definitely thighs, because I have thighs.
Oh, let's go on holiday right now. Do you like being wet or do you like being in the bush? So beach or safari? What do you like?
It was lamanzi. So I'm choosing water, the beach.
I think we should all do shots. Zodwa,
So
you
then
need
you have
to
to finish
your
yours.
shot.
Actually, no,
Okay.
she must take a break.
No, 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 no. I'll
You
finish that one.
weak, man, Zod.
I know,
I don't expect
know.
this behavior from you.
I know, my loving.
Okay, nakey wakey.
Okay, we're about to get into heavy five, right? Zodwa, thank you.
Cheers.
Zodwa, I remember when you came on the scene, right?
Yeah,
Eyadini. That's
Yeah.
where I first saw you.
yeah,
Years ago.
yeah.
One weekend you were a nobody. And then the next weekend I said to Mjay, but this person is blowing up all over South Africa.
Yeah.
I know that you say, hey, umuntu umuti, but besides the underground gang pushing you, what's kept you in this game for so long?
Staying away from everyone while I have their contacts that I can call, not for advice, just having all of their contacts, as in I know them.
Who's everyone? Is it
Every-
family or friends?
Everyone in the entertainment industry. We're talking about the industry and business.
Is it that bad?
No, it's not bad. I've listened to every celebrity. It's a wow factor on Instagram. Their job is so beautiful. They have perfect pictures. But when they come to my house, they really talk to me as the person or people that they wish to be.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm like their doctor. Yeah, all of them. When I say they are wow factor, some you work with them. You are on Metro FM.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Long 7 Metro.
Yeah, and I don't think there's someone small in Metro FM. Everyone is big.
Asiyazama.
In Tengishoy. So I know them personally coming to my house, telling me that, you know what, I feel you have beautiful energy. I feel
Yes,
like
no
I can
doubt.
cry on you.
doubt.
I feel like I can tell you this. I feel like I can borrow this much from you. So yeah, while I look the opposite.
Zodwa,
Yeah.
on that note, thank you for acknowledging that everyone is big at Metro FM.
Oh, wow.
Listen, we're going to go into a quick ad break, right? Don't forget, it's Heavy Hitters. Heavy Hitters _ZA. Heavy Hitters _ZA. Instagram and Twitter.
Welcome back. We're still getting up close and personal with Zodwa. And speaking of personal, here goes nothing. So you once posted, ne, there on the socials, and you were basically posting this car. And you were like, this is how you secure a car. Use your kitty cat.
Yeah.
Right? Quote, you called it the kitty car. Right?
Yeah.
And so a lot of people will go back and forth and say, but you're promoting prostitution, or you're making it, you know, you're glamorizing it,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
What's your thought or take on that?
Now that I have everything in my life for the past 5 years, I do whatever that I want with the internet, with my cars, and I'm not running away if you're saying I'm promoting Abomahosha.
Yeah.
I grew up sleeping with men for money. So I'm teaching you now, I'm teaching Abantu Makaya Babugele. I was once hungry. So if a man would say he loves me, ngikhule ngingathandwa like ekhaya. So when a man will say I love you, and I will look at myself like I'm poor, I have the same shoe. Even now, that's why I can't even buy anything, even though I have money. I don't have the feel for it, because I feel poverty in everyone that comes from poverty. You'll carry poverty until to your grave. Whether you try to make up it, put on a wig, put on an expensive dress or shoes or whatever, but poverty will always run in your blood. More like you will never forget where you come from. So I'm not promoting it. I was trying to say, let's stop playing with these young boys. Since we have a dick, let's stop playing with these young women if you are into fucking young girls too. So now I'm saying, at least Ricardo is busy with learners. I'm gonna give him, I'm gonna pay for his driver's license. I've uyavula esikolweni for acting, star quality. Yeah, star quality acting school nge-7 February. So I'm okay in life. I've made it. Poverty iphumile ngomnyango, but ini embi when you make someone better, because Tina, we didn't have that chance. When somebody maybe keep her back then in news cafe, maybe ngifuna istorm, ubuwazi ukuthi yokudla. Ubuwazi ukuthi yokudla.
Yeah.
So ugeze endlini wazi ukuthi hey naked uthe sidibana news cafe. So yazi na ukuthi uyongidla. So my thing was angizubiza, I don't know what bottles back then were.
Joneteo.
Maybe Jack Daniels, yeah, whatever. So if I order and food, I would say I can't order Jack Daniels or VSOP back then. Yes. Or I want that money.
Yes.
You understand? Because I was hungry. So I'm not promoting. It's happening. All these clubs where there's beach, yellow beaches, pink beaches, blue beaches.
The whole rainbow.
It's happening. It's out there. I sit down now as a businesswoman. I look at these girls, not the ones that are promoting the club. There are women who just go out there to steal from men. I know it. Ngikasi. I stay in the suburbs, but ngikasi. So my mind, it's gas. You can't wash me. You can't give me anything that can change who I am.
Knowing what you know now and everything that you've been through,
Yeah.
if you had to have a daughter, what kind of advice would you give your daughter?
I wouldn't tell her to close her legs because she's going to be eaten anyway. I would teach
Empower
her.
herself.
Yeah.
She should,
Yes. You know, earlier on I spoke about selling cigarettes.
Yes,
you know,
you did.
you can do anything. And young girls, you can do whatever you want. If that guy says he loves you and is after your pussy, give it to him, but don't tell for a Peruvian or a Brazilian. Take it for stock or order my eggs.
Wait.
Yeah.
Is that not the easy way out? The kitty, is that not the easy way out? Because
Shouldn't they hustle in other ways?
Kuyanyiwa. I don't know where you guys are staying. Where you from, guys? Kuyanyiwa. Kuyanyiwa. Me, I'm talking more of abantu abaphume kasi. They're not privileged like you. And pussy is a way out of everything.
It's currency.
I'm telling
It's
you.
currency.
I don't care. I don't know where you're staying, guys. Maybe you tell your kids, say, oh, go to school, do well, go to university, but real life is going to fuck them while you've paid, you did all the right thing. You think society or communities say we should teach. Those are not teachings. School, university, those are not teachings. I think the real life of university is the streets. So mnise esikolweni uphinde umnikeze itroli nje ayiphushe emasabapini in these houses of yours. Go and knock on those doors. We're selling popcorn. Maybe unomshini uneked DJ unomshini wama popcorn. You're teaching him ukuthi he must sell something. He must have a background of not that my dad is going to give me or my mom is going to push them. As much as you're living a soft life, but push them.
So you're basically saying hustle no matter what it takes. Use
My
everything
son
at
is
your
in boarding
disposal.
school. Nangitshela ukuthi Adidas yakhe itabukile. I tell him, wemsunu, thatha lelo phaca, ulise kubaba wasekhoneni ayolithungisa. You're teaching him because our children, they know kunamasweet ja asendlini.
Yeah.
There's fruit, there's everything. In their mind, it does something. That's why most people's kids who are famous, they do drugs. And ungona ukudla ama-drugs as in, I just want to be high, ngabi namahloni. Bona bawadla in a way that babukise emphakathini ngawe. While when ubuzitshela uthi uyinja or uyisikhokho, but your kids will show you ukuthi awusikhokho. So always teach them the right, hard way. Yeah, hard in a way that where you come from, ekas. Yeah.
You know, you're speaking about your son and how parents need to be open when it comes to their kids.
Yeah.
How would you describe your relationship with your son? Is it you know, tumultuous? Is it are you as open as you're open with us here in the
Yes,
streets?
yeah.
And what does he think of it? Because I mean, it must be a culture shock because we all think parents are supposed to be guarded and they're supposed
No,
to
you
sing
shouldn't.
rainbows and ponies.
No, you shouldn't. So my son, it's on the reality show, I've protected him. I've made sure he goes to a school where there's no laptop, no branding of clothes, no nothing.
Yeah.
They don't carry MacBooks, no phone, basebenzisa iphone yesikolo. Yeah. Ebephethwe yini i-rush.
Yeah.
Bephethwe rush. Ngathi kuye emsulu kanyoko. I hope le rush is not coming from ukuthi ufake umpipo wakho ekukwini wrong. You know, I talk with him like that because I want him to know, I want him to understand. I can't say, Zuzu, you know when you have sex, you're gonna impregnate bitches or you're gonna get AIDS. You understand? So you can't be like, Zuzu, there are these things, please prevent, condomize.
You can't cuddle them.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You can't protect them against the world. Because
So,
it's a messed up world.
mtele blapa, mtele how you were taught now. You know, we cool, we understand each other. Sega teenage. Nangu yodunusa ebusuku ngilele. You wanted to bring somebody, maybe a woman, maybe girlfriend, I don't know. Zuzu, please can my friend come and sleep over? I've moved to Joburg. So I'm just around. We want to go to Gold Reef City and I refuse. As in Zuzu, we are you bringing a woman in my house.
Yeah.
Kuba bazothi, no, now I'm a number mama. Then they want to make it like it's a movie, sleepover, pajama thing, ingati skule, small cheese. The next thing, that lady is going to get pregnant. You understand? Because ulele kwa. So I can't. Then when I was sleeping, ngizovuka ngabo 7 sengiyodunusa. Kungena ama notification. He paid i-hotel. Itebitile Gold Reef City. Yeah. So I don't
Hotel
even
living.
know how to buy online, whatever, but he took my black card or black wealth and he punched everything. Wabuka. Agayanga. But mina ubukele for Tuesday. bazoya Reef City, that means bazophumela hotel because untshontshe ikhadi la mama yakhe wabhukha online. So yabona ukuthi bafundisa kanjani. They are clever than us.
But tell me, why did you decide to take him to a school that doesn't have things like laptops and all that stuff? Is it because you might be afraid of the things he might
No,
see?
he knows
Zaga mama?
everything. No, he knows
Like,
everything.
so he even knows your videos.
I took him to work one time. I was half naked. I was telling him, you see, your money, your boarding school money is coming from. This is my job. Whether from your phone that you have, friends, when at the boarding school bavala much, they come back home. He comes, sabapin it me now. Come on, you know their phones. He knows everything. He knows everything.
And his friends don't like bother him about it. He's never
it's
come
all
to
there
you
on
and
their
say,
Instagram. No. I think I'm not hated. People think they hate me or they misunderstanding me because there's a little bit of Zodwa in them, whether I'm male or female. So there's a story in everyone, but they've covered it up so nicely according to the years. And their years correspond with my years. So I think I know like them. So there's nothing that...
You feel they hate you because you are more brave than they were.
Yes.
So Zodwa, tell me now, talking, like, let's continue on this naked talk. When you
Since it's your name.
and
It's a
it's something
theme.
you like to do. So when you got into the industry, there was this person called Wabantu.
Oh, yeah.
So
You will really need to give him a time. Ngiyazi ube accident ulayekile. Ngiyazi you have scars on your legs ulayekile. You got suspended ulayekile. Whatever that she's going through ulayekile nje.
so there's definitely beef.
No, I'm just saying there's no beef. She's nothing. She'll never be nothing. She'll never come out of this industry. I'll make sure even I spend that if she knocks on your door,
Yes.
I will call you my friend. Fuck it up. Like, don't hire her.
Okay, so on that heavy note, can we start talking about something a bit more lighter? Let's talk about love now. Let's talk about love.
Yeah.
Come, I know you love love.
I do. And I'm struggling. Like, I'm really struggling because
We are
I
all
like...
struggling. Yeah, make more money, then you will...
Naked.
You will make more money, then you will have any man you want.
But you see, I don't want any man that I want. So here's my issue.
Yeah.
You decided, you know what, you're gonna do the Ben 10 life.
Yeah.
Because abo naked bahlulehile.
Yeah.
So then I'm starting to feel like bo naked bahlulehile.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But like
Gave us a chance.
at the same time, you
chance. She just ran to my benten, and I'm like,
maybe she gave you a chance before you knew her.
we could have been this naked team,
No,
Zodwa, but you
I
chose otherwise.
Bars. But Zodwa, you also had a video where you were like, listen, it's tough for all of us. You were crying. You
Yeah,
were like,
yeah,
"Iska
me,
mpona
wa-
ke tweka kholo monate, ne?"
Yeah.
Yet you keep going back to the Ben
That's
10.
a good
Yeah,
header.
'cause
That's a good header,
No, with
Zodwa.
that one, he stole from me. So it was on the grounds, as in I'll take care of it. We all cry, as celebrities, trust me, we all cry saying, this mustn't come out. It's going to look bad on me. What. Then you repeat. If naked teacher runs away with 3 million, you don't want to look stupid. You want to say,
It's just 3 million.
you know, why we are nyapagati. So I want to express my feelings, you know, abantu bangihamba nabo. They must know when I'm happy, when I'm sad.
But I'm sure the older guys also want humors. I mean, all that booty. who
No,
wouldn't?
I fucked all of those older ones. I no longer want
Yes,
them.
Nkalubuza something. Nah?
Yeah.
You did something with Tabo.
Yes.
Black motion.
Yes.
Is that not bad for business? Like,
I was
if ulala
singing.
nomuntu,
Yeah.
then ukhulume ukuthi ulele nobani.
Yeah.
Is that not bad for business?
No, it's not.
Is that why
Azange
ungafuna
ngitshele ukuthi santshontshana. Remember, I didn't go to his house or wherever he stays. He always comes. And I repeat,
Always comes.
He always comes.
You
to
made
my
sure when I
house.
gave.
No.
Was it more than once?
I'm not. Yeah, I know everyone, even radios, they wanted me to specify. Like, I'm not lying. It's not once. Like you know, there's no.
Bekele beke lala.
Back then I was singing. Yes. Yeah. Not now that there's regard. No, he didn't say it's a secret.
Okay.
No, he didn't say it's a secret.
Okay.
And it's not bad for business. For me, it's not.
But
Because, like, I'll be scared to sleep with Zodwa. Because Zodwa is gonna...
Ukanti uyangitshontsha
Uzosho on
uyangitshontsha
social
yini
media,
uyangitshontsha
ukuthi,
we and shame yazadliwa ama-celebrity ayadlana ama-celebrity ayadliwa ama-celebrity amanye ama-celebrity hayibo badliwa abantu. I'm like, girl, manje when uzoloko uthulile, he comes out with this relationship with this woman athi uyamthanda, but when you've always been with him.
yeah.
So what did he promise
In the
you?
shadows.
So he made you believe ukuthi wena bowuyirechte.
No, besingajoli. I was single, and down there you don't stay single.
Okay.
You don't stay single down there.
But you know,
So you can never promise me anything. Like what, Skoko? What Thabo can promise me? Not in a disrespectful way. There's no promises, Skoko. Like, hey, Skoko, dry la pants. Are you free? Who you with?
yeah.
As in,
Can I pull through?
Yeah.
But did you feel it was rude of him to then come back and say, Gijila, Gijila?
Gajile, Joe.
No, udlile Skoko. You saw his smile. Imagine if he said, I'm lying.
Yeah.
So,
Be honest.
I'm honest. I fuck what I want to eat.
Oh.
And there's no way that I'm going to say it's not nice because I chose it.
Okay.
Asana poverty, Skoko yompipi, asana poverty, ama popcorn, asana. We do what we want. You understand? So, for me to call him, uqala ukudlana kwethu sadlala ePitori.
You even know location.
Siphuma kwi-show yabo. Every January. Nge-1. Base Mamelodi. Yes, yeah.
Plus January Agnamadi, so the only games we play are my games of
Yeah.
Slanil.
Okay, actually, speak for yourself.
It's 2020. For the record, it's 2022. We do talk.
Okay.
Yeah. Why do you think?
Are you ever tempted to? Okay,
Fuck
but
him
now
again?
you're. But now
He'll
you're.
always be there.
Yeah.
So whether ngiyalahlwa,
Does Ricardo feel threatened by any of these?
yeah, he does him. Yeah, he does. He does. Yeah.
You guys keep his stress.
Yeah, I think. But I mean, I want
Do you
us
care-
to make money.
Do you care that he's threatened?
Yes, I do care. I say, baby, you are at home. You have all the access. You are always with me 24/7. I chose you. I'm posting you. I was singing. Like, we were just fucking, you know. Yeah. And then maybe ngelilanga usazobaveza nabanye ngibadlile. Like, angingisabi phela mina. Angingisabi.
It's not that deep.
Abakhona. No, it's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
Ngifuna nje labo cherry babo abacabanga ukuthi baphethe igolide since mina ngibuya eZN. Elami igolide
Alrighty, girl. All right.
So I normally ngazi popocha nizenze betere.
Mustering.
Midnight staring.
Sazonifikela nje ifemi yami ayipheli still I keep some things nje ukuthi you know na next year uneke DJ no Kamu babe ne storage you know ngifuna ukutshela nje khulekani.
Speaking of stories, recently you came out. We're gonna, the spiritual journey,
Oh,
and you
yes.
even mentioned it earlier. I want to know from you, like, usually, when people have a calling, they go through like some sort of difficult time, and then, did you experience a difficult time? What was it? What was happening with you?
I dream a lot. If your ancestors or your God, whether you believe or you don't believe, they say to me, I should say something to you. And I know it is twice ngoba sine 8 guys. No.
Wow.
No. When you are famous, you are very special. That's why they buy it off us. That's why they book us. That's why they pay us 30K for a post on Instagram. That's why we get invited to a hotel, go and sleep. It's your name.
You have gravitas.
Yes. So, asihlanyi, akusi 80, asishaywa impilo or life. Okay, maybe ngizikhulumela mina ke ngoba
Yeah.
lamanye amathwasa ke.
But then why does everyone post it on Instagram? Is that not into that sacred between wena?
Yeah.
Nabaphansi.
Nabaphansi. Why abantu bayiposta ku social media kangaka?
I think we're trying to let them know that if I disappear for 3 months or 6 months, ngisuke ngekuphi. So you don't leave your fans in the dark.
Yeah.
More especially mina ngisebenza ngabantu like my fans. They love seeing me. Antu phela mina ngiposti nase ngifake makeup.
Yeah.
Ngiyaposta nje ngiphume endlini ngithi yami sunu sengivukile ngenza amaqanda manje. You know laba abanye bathatha 2 weeks or 3 weeks to post because bamela la moment ukuthi funeka book a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Abe nama outfit awa odile to a boutique because I boutique ifuna imteke.
Yeah.
Then the hair naye book because the hair wants to be
tagging.
promoted teke. So they only post those pictures because so mina I always talk
post
like blah blah
everything.
blah blah yeah. So yeah, it's not sacred. It is sacred as in maybe it's in jail, but we are very special. And with me, maybe that's why I've been naked. That's why in Kenya people think I eat drugs. Not that I'm denying that I eat drugs. I think the ones that I'm eating now, they're not working. I mean, whatever you say about me, I know, but
What do
I'm
you
not
mean
here
the
to
drugs
prove
you're
anything.
eating now are not?
They're not drugs. I'm trying to say they're not drugs.
Oh, I thought Ricardo was the drug. I was gonna say homeboy is in it to win it. The love drug.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, we are posting and you choose to post everything. But also there's been, I don't want to call it a mushroom, you know, mushroom effect where everything is just popping up out of nowhere. It seems like all the celebrities are now coming out. They gotta give
Yeah.
fashion, you
That's
know.
why I said that I will try to explain. Maybe you can attest to that. We are special. So ukuhlanya kwethu, not that sibalekile emadlozini. That's why abanye they can't live alone. You've seen some videos where celebrity liphuma esayidini ukuthi yini uyahlanya or isikhathi or whatever.
Yeah.
It's not them. It's not them, Skoko. Benza izinto is either maybe yanyiwe life yakho, you know. I'll make an example. I'm sorry, Mlindo. Umlindo has been to accident for Viana 3. That's not bad luck.
Yeah.
Someone is saying, we are giving you so much. Acknowledge us. Say we are bonga. Say kamaku. So bayakunyisa if, you know, my other house in Durban got broken into. The other first one I cried. Everyone said, "Angatshontshelwani lo blah blah blah." You know, in somebody was saying, "Oh, sorry, Zodwa." Second time, I kept quiet because I'm not that special to them, as in my fans. Third time, I said, "I'm no longer wanted like Durban. I like there's no way it's Coco. There's no way I recover." Indunyami isazobhukwa ubani eDubai.
Yeah.
Because when I go to Dubai, I make sure I buy the shoes, luggage, that, oh my God, maybe I'm going to
Yeah,
I went to Australia, I buy things as a special need, oh my God, maybe I'll never come to Australia again. So I use every opportunity. Then they been 8 months to 9 months, then they break in again. Pinding recover, they know I'm a hard worker, Skok. You know, I don't give up easily.
Yeah.
In Pinding recover, they come.
They come again.
Then December, last year, because we just finished this one, I was already here last month.
Yeah.
They're saying a movie. Begins at 1 year last month, my movie to Joburg. So the last one, my helper calls me. I ran, I'm at the gate. I just opened the front door. Everything is a mess. I didn't even post it. I still have the pictures. As in, I was embarrassed. I felt like a fool. I drank sleeping pills. Not lama sleeping pills, lava away, no, like normal people. The ones that we buy when we just want to die. You know, I die. You know, you think I have energy every day. I'm happy. I'm not happy every day. I'm sad sometimes. But on that occasion, I drank sleeping pills for 2 weeks to 3 weeks. My helper will cook umdoko omhlophe. I didn't even want the other ones, breakfast or oats. And will cook lunch, but uzoyidla maybe ebusuku. Ungena Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So ukudla na upheke Monday ngizokudla until azazokuchange imenu. I couldn't speak as in to say something to her. I was dead, this cock. I didn't cry for immaterial. I was going crazy. I was mentally going crazy because I know my space. I don't like people. I respect people. There's nothing in one day that I can wake up that there's something that I want from a person. I don't have secrets with any people while I have their secrets because I feel also, I'm going to use the industry because they think they know too much.
Name names. Because if you're just going to talk on the surface, rather not. So you
before
must
the
just
show,
say names.
collect, babo.
The list goes on.
So I don't have a secret that the person can blackmail me or the circle where I should move or I should like this one and I can't be recruited. When I moved there, some of them wanted to recruit me because they thought maybe I'm vocal.
Yeah.
For what?
And
Ibe part of scheme.
Ifebe just cock. Ifebe,
Okay.
scheme. I was looking at my circle.
Nigga, don't lie. Don't lie. Nigga is such a liar. Trifling.
Oh, shame. Okay. Fine. So yeah, umuntu nje ngiyamhlonipha ngiyamthanda le kude and ayikho into engathi uNkulunkulu angangishaya.
Yeah.
Kube nento ethi.
You know what I want to speak about? You spoke on the issue of, taking sleeping pills.
Yeah,
you're
there.
mute,
Oh,
you keep
then
quiet, you pull away.
Then I ate. Then one time I got back to, you know what? I have to find umuntu osebenzayo. That's how I started ukusebenzisa umuntu.
Okay.
And some people died. I have bodies like rest in peace on that journey because mina Skoko ubusweet bami kuhambelana nokukhohlakala kwami nasi. Angifuni umuntu ongisukelayo, angifuni umuntu ozipha mina.
Yeah.
Ungazipha mina maybe ngakuzwa ngakuboni but asiphapi ngokufana, asenze izinto ngokufana. You wanna belong, I don't wanna belong.
Yeah.
So if you fuck me over, I'm gonna deal with you. Like, yeah.
Dealing with you, dead bodies. What do you mean you have bodies? Like, do you mean you took a body, you put it in a duffel bag, you bury it in your backyard?
No, you touch my heart, you touch my stuff, as in you break into my house. My car it's on my reality show. I've already ordered cameras because I needed to do this ritual here in where I stay. So I went to Soweto, they've broken into my house Monday, I think 2 weeks back. Window lakhona ngilodile because it's 6 akakaphuphi. Azitholakali kuyimoto ezitshayisile ma scrapyard. I've started there. Anginamali okudlala. And at GP what they said is 24,000. It's taking a month iphume Cape Town. But I've sent my boys, like my driver, to say, go and ask, go GP, scrapyard, they don't have this window. Ask her told, but hopefully this is all tall. Then I slept. I woke up and ngifuna umuntu elisikisiki in the Eastern Cape. I'm Xhosa, Mampondweni.
Are you pure Xhosa, by the way? Because I read somewhere that you're like half colored.
Yeah, my father Libram. Yeah.
Can you speak
my
Afrikaans?
mom? No.
Okay.
No. My mom is Xhosa. My dad is colored.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and I woke up. I said, you know what? I'm not a failure. I'm not a coward. They're just trying to shake me or whatever because they can't touch me. They can't touch me because I have ngiziqinisile. So I think they're just poking me. You know,
Yeah.
people poke when they can't touch you. I'm a woman, you can
They
touch
poke
me.
and not in the way that you want to be poked.
Okay.
Nazo.
Yeah. Awuthanda isendo. Uyalithemba le
Oh,
sendo
but
lakho,
be
ne?
naked.
Uyalithemba le sendo lakho? Awungibonisi?
Guys, this is a family show.
I know.
You know what, Zodwa, we're definitely going to have you here on part 2. Can we expect anything that you've spoken about go reality show yako?
The ritual that I paid uBabe Ngimhambayo 30K to come to Joburg and to lesasilima sishiye negazi laso. So we took the blood. Yeah, it's on the reality show. I only shot 2 episodes. So I'm left with 11 episodes. It's a 13 episode.
Those other episodes, will we see anything else? Maybe a new baby on board? Maybe even...
How do you know that I'm trying?
Kid Rose. So we might see something, Yana.
Yeah, with
maybe
me, I
even a
think
marriage.
I'm old, and this
You're not old.
this underground gang, they're giving me money away from Muktunusa because they said I will lose kancane who I am.
They've called you to be.
Yes. So not knowing maybe good or whatever, I'm not there yet. We process of everything here. So yeah, there's so many things new. You know, I keep it real. I talk about things that affect people, more especially where we come from, black people, like proper black people, not this life that we live in here, that it depresses some people. People are angry and bitter. Yeah.
Now, Zodwa, you know that we have nothing but love for you here on Heavy Hitters.
100%.
We definitely want to see you back, and you know, good luck with everything that you're doing, with all your future endeavors. We
Thank
wish
you. Oh,
nothing
my
but
perfume is coming out.
the perfume.
She
has everything. She has eggs.
I have eggs. I
She
have
has
my
eggs.
perfume. I've always had the perfume. I've launched it 2019.
Yes.
7 December. But the COVID,
Yeah.
my perfumes were stranded along the way from China. So they're all on the way. I've paid
What's
the.
it called? What's
It's
it called?
Zodwa Touchable. I love my name, DJ.
Zodwa
Touchable.
Zodwa Touchable Night. Zodwa Touchable Day. Yeah.
And they
outro.
smell
Yes,
normal, right? It's not like Erica Badu where it smells like something else and it's normal. It doesn't smell like your skin.
Like normal people like me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just checking. I thought maybe it smells like your kitty.
No. Ooh, no. They're from China, baby. China.
Okay, well, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Like Naked say, we wish you all the best. I think you need to take one for the road.
Ngibonga manzi kanjani?
I definitely
Thundermans,
take one for the road. While you take one for the road, we are
I'm
going.
driving.
Driving.
Okonza drive.
you're
Phela
the
bamamele
driver,
lapha.
yes.
I think you should take this one.
When you just want to take
Take
me
one
home.
for the team.
We
I
work
always
together.
take you home. What you talking about?
We work together. What's wrong with you?
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to our guest Zodwa. It was great. I had so much fun.
Yep,
She
always.
left nothing unsaid.
Yeah.
So all you have to do, guys, remember, stay on our socials, Heavy Hitters on Facebook, and then with the underscore on Instagram and Twitter.
Yeah.
So see you again next week.
Ask a
Same
man
time,
already.
same
Ask
place.
a man already.
Like candy. Don't I look like candy?
See you next week.